It's okay, I'm good. Let's go!
Say hello to Dexter, say hello to Uncle Buster. Got engagement on my necklace, I'm a crazy sun protector. G-Shocks, I got a crazy dumb collection. Haters, I bump, get reception. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars and the cards out. Let's have a toast to celebration, get the glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Southampton, but I've never been to Scunthorpe. I'm crazy with the kicks, call me John Claude. I'm back to be a bigger star than my mum for. Cause every day I got a groupie at my front door. Now I drive past the bus I used to run for. Where's my where's my uncle? I work alone, cause I was born alone. I chops are just for fun, I'll never ever call a phone. I leave her in the club, I'll never ever call her home. The foundation, I'm the cornerstone. I'm pretty famous, I'm so known. And if your son doesn't, I beg your daughter knows. Check out my visual, check out my audio. Extraordinary yo, hope you enjoy the show. Yeah, we bring the stars out. We bring the women and the cars out. Let's have a toast of celebration, get a glass out. And we can do this until we pass out. Now I'm in here laying on my back, singing DJ.